Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we're looking at the all-new 2025 Subaru Baja. This is a beautiful crossover pickup truck. This is where SUV meets pickup, and Subaru did a great job with this one. This is looking muscular and powerful. I just love the look at it. Take a look from the sides. You can see where it's looking beautiful. This look like you could seat 4 to 5 people very comfortable, and still have room at the back to pack your grocery or your gears for a camping trip. If you like to haul a fridge or a washing machine or dryer, you could do so with this crossover pickup truck. I just love the look at the back. It's looking gorgeous, guys. I love everything about this truck. And notice at the top you have some racks on the top where you could strap down any load that you could carry at the top. Take a look at the inside, looking beautiful. That's a 12-inch touchscreen at the front right there, and you have comfortable bucket seats, very spacious interior, looking gorgeous. Leave a comment below, guys. Let us know what you think. Would you drive one of these pickup trucks? Leave your comment. Please like, please subscribe to this channel. New videos are being uploaded regularly.